Meaning of Festival of the Dead.
Festival of the Dead.
Festival of the Dead.
Festival of the Dead.
Festival of the Dead. The Festival of the Dead is a celebration that occurs in many cultures around the world. It typically takes place around late October or early November and is often associated with the remembrance of loved ones who have passed away. The festival typically involves activities such as parades, feasts, and offerings to the dead. In some cultures, it is believed that during this time the spirits of the deceased return to the earthly realm to visit their loved ones. Overall, the Festival of the Dead focuses on remembering and honoring those who have passed away.